All right, what's up YouTube? This is your boy Dion. I just wanted to record a quick video. I think I say that every entry, but I wanted to record a video just to capture a little bit about my week in trading. Today is Friday, August, I'm gonna guess the 16th. But today, this week, had some highs and lows with my trading. I said I gotta keep it 1,000 and kind of part of this whole journey in capturing what I'm doing in my trading is to be transparent and consistent with the uploads, and transparent and the lessons and everything that I've been doing right and doing wrong. So I had a conversation with my accountability partner, my cousin, and you guys. And this week in my trading, I did a really good job of following my rules, really sticking to my trading plan, grabbing positions and making sure to capture entries and exits, all predetermined. That's part of the rules, or some of the rules that I have along with my trading plan. And today I broke those rules, and it cost me dearly. Today I'm here to share with you I've blown another challenge, and it was not as painful as some of the ones in the past. I made a conscious decision to disregard my rules, which is a max of 2 trades a day. I went on a bit of tilt and decided, you know what, this was a cheaper challenge, and I felt that it was worth the risk to try to take a bigger size and really try to shortcut myself and get out of drawdown a little bit faster. Very, very silly game plan, because it cost me in time, cost me not so much in confidence, because I know how to trade. I've been consistently profitable in my personal account, but when it comes to the evaluations, really building consistency in the evaluations and working to get funded, I have not been successful, and it sucks. I'm gonna be honest, it just sucks, and it annoys me that there are so many different rules and parameters that you have to work inside of in order to pass the evaluation. But if I had stuck to my rules, I would still be in the evaluation, and you live to fight another day. So because of that, I have to start from scratch, and again, it sucks. So one key learning or takeaway is that in addition to sticking to my rules, the biggest thing that really set me off and caused a bit of tilt was I entered the trade without a clear risk level. I knew the zone. No, that's wrong. Not a clear zone or risk level, but an amount. For me, with me being in drawdown, I really decided to reduce the amount that I want to risk per trade to just $50 per trade. And so part of me grabbing part of me not oversizing or over leveraging is capturing my trades with that $50 amount in mind. So basically, if I'm going to take a position at $1, always use the dollar examples, but if I'm going to take a trade at $1 and I'm risking 20 cents, I need to factor that $50 and divided by the 20 cents that I'm willing to risk on the trade, and use that as a absolute measure to calculate my share size. And so I saw a trade that I've been watching, so it wasn't random. It was a setup that I typically trade, but I was watching the trade and I saw that it was going in my direction, and rather than take the time to figure out exactly the risk amount that I need to be at, I just grabbed just a bunch of shares, and almost immediately when the trade moved against me, it was well past the $50 position loss size, or however you want to say it, the $50 that I plan to lose per trade. It was just outside of that, and then that was the first domino that really set me off into like a bad way. So and honestly, this week and since I started this challenge, I've been so much better than I have in the past. I was saying, talking with my cousin, who is my accountability partner, 17 out of 20 of those trades or so, on average, I'm just kind of pulling a number. Majority of the trades, I've been following my rules, following my plans. Even though I was in drawdown, I've been consistent with, making sure that I'm at like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk reward, and I'm not risking more than $50 per trade. I have not been over trading by taking 3, 4, 5 trades, in a day, just really trying to cap it at, 1 win per day, or, max 2 losses, but really just staying inside my wheelhouse so that I can like kind of claw my way out of drawdown and, get to my first funded account. It's crazy because, I watch a lot of YouTubers, I follow a lot of them, and I see how well they trade and how they execute their plan. And for me, I've been so close in the past to passing a funded account, and I have not been able to do it because for one reason or another, the discipline goes out the window when I'm in the trade. So I think, one thing that I want to be able to do is just slow down, making sure all of my entries and all of my rules are measured and calculated, or I don't take the trade. This is something that is important to me and my family, and maybe at a different time I can kind of talk about and go over all the different whys and why this is important to me. It's almost time for dinner. But yeah, I just wanted to capture this video really quick just to kind of document where I'm at. And once I'm a funded trader, once I'm consistently profitable, I have this as a record to go back on. Yeah, you head down for dinner. I'll be right down. It's dinner time, so I'll cut this video short, but just wanted to, for the folks that'll see this, maybe months and years down the road, if you're on this journey to become a funded trader and just be a consistently profitable trader, you can do it. I'm coming downstairs. You can do it. Just stay locked in. I will continue to, I won't quit. I will keep fighting, and over time I will achieve those goals. So again, I am glad that I have this as a way to document my journey, and so I can look back on and continue to learn, and hopefully somebody that sees this, you can learn from my mistakes. So take your time, be patient, just trust the process. Dion, trust the process. If you're watching this, whoever you are, and stay locked in, and best of luck to you. Happy trading, enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.